Good morning guys, it is 10 to 6 currently. I'm about to head out the door. I'm just making myself my little breakfast. I've been using the Total, is it called Total? It's called like Faye, this yogurt with berries. So I'm just cutting up the rest of our strawberries and then I am going to rush out the door. I have a 7:30 spin class today. God, I feel like I'm turning into somebody I do not recognise. But I'm just trying to do, you know, I love my spin. I'm trying to get it out of the way early in the morning. Here's my raspberries as well. Just love honey. Yeah, I think it's because we also have carpet in the bedroom. It really doesn't help with the heat. It like really retains the heat up there. My dad is coming to London today, which is very exciting. I'm gonna meet him for lunch. And then we also have a dinner with friends. I'm using the Deliciously Ella Nutty Granola. It has no added sugar, no added additives or anything, so I think it's quite good for us. I think we've run out of flax seeds, but normally I add flax seeds, but I'm also going to add some chia. There we go, that's breakfast. I'll eat that in the office after my class. Also, I put on some of my U-Tan last night, just sprayed it over, and I've got a bit of a weird arm situation, which is not ideal. Anyway, I'm gonna get my shoes on now and then I will chat to you on our way to the station. Okay, we are currently walking down to the station. I wanted to quickly tell you guys about a TV show that, sorry I'm stomping if I'm getting out of breath, I'm walking really fast. Matt and I started watching a TV show last night. It was actually on my mum's recommendation, so thanks mum. It's called Murder 24/7. Sorry if that's a bit morbid, I just really like documentary style stuff. Basically follows a police team investigation and they're trying to catch some killers, and it's all about this like poor DPD driver who is just driving around doing his work. He pulls into a cul-de-sac and about 8 people come up behind them, no, in front of them, kind of block them in, and they murder one of the guys, and it's absolutely brutal. Obviously in this day and age of like Ring doorbell cameras, they catch it all on CCTV pretty much, but the first clip is pretty harrowing because you can see him sitting in the passenger seat with the seatbelt on. And the guy's kind of coming and you can see him like scrambling trying to get over to the other seat. It's absolutely horrible to watch, but it's a really interesting show. We only watched part 1. There's 3 parts apparently, and there's actually also another series. So check it out if you're looking for something to watch. Always love to show you a little view of St. Paul's. So stunning. Also those windows are insane. I don't think they quite grasp how big they are. They're massive and they're all like individual tiny little panes. If you're doing any sort of like tourist stuff in London, you should 100% come to St. Paul's and just like see the city because it is stunning. There's so many grand buildings, and then my favourite view is at like Royal Exchange where you can literally see like all the old buildings right in front of the skyscrapers. It's pretty amazing. Also a fact that I love is that the skyscrapers are built where they're built because there's a rule around St. Paul's where you can't block the eye line of St. Paul's for I think 2 miles, which is why the cheese grater is built on a slant so that it doesn't obstruct the view from St. Paul's, because it's such a special, iconic church and building in the history of London. Also look, gold statues everywhere. It's gorgeous. I'm here at Home Slice with my dad. Say hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Show your lemonade. He sounded like Tyson Fury there.
Tyson Fury?
He's got a lemonade with a straw, very cute. And I'm having a little Lucky Saint beer, and we're waiting for Matt to join us. We're looking through the bushes for him. Come to a place called Home Slice, which does the most insane pizzas. They're like 20-inch pizzas. It's pretty insane, and it's gonna be good. It's funny seeing you here. Please excuse my appearance and also my voice. My voice is very croaky. I went out for dinner last night with my friend from school who's actually down in London, and we went to Bear and Jack. It was absolutely phenomenal, as always. I've actually lost the stand for my little camera, so I'm just gonna put you there. I hope you can hear and see me okay. Yeah, my friend came down to London, we went to Bear and Jack. It was delicious. We had a little drink at Borough Bistro in Borough Market just before we went for dinner. And I am now making us, as in me and Matt, some bagels for lunch. He's out at the shop getting some pesto, some mozzarella. We're gonna do pesto mozzarella chicken bagels, and very excitingly, our garden furniture is en route. It is being delivered today. I want to really quickly show you what has arrived so far. I got all of this from Dunelm, so I will let you, maybe I'll link everything in the description box, yeah. I'll link everything down below. We got these little very cute seat cushions that are very good quality, and they have these little ties on the back of them. So I could even put them, let me just show you. I could even put them, oh my God, they actually look very cute on these little chairs. I could put them on there and I could actually tie them there. They were Dunelm, do they have the price? They were on sale. These say £12, but I think I got them for like £8, and I got 2 of them. We also got barbecue, which I'm just so excited for. This was like, it says £70. This was also in the sale, so it's very exciting. That's our little package. And then also our table and chairs is en route, so that's gonna be, I'll show you that when it arrives. We're hoping we can sit and eat our lunch in the garden. I'm just toasting these bagels for us currently. Ah, that's really hot. Last time I tried to toast bagels in this frying pan, I ended up with rings burnt into the frying pan for a very long time that we couldn't get off. So I'm gonna leave them. And then I have this chicken breast in here. I'm just gonna shred that up, spread it amongst the bagels, do some salad, get some pesto, put some mozzarella on there. I feel like it's gonna be a delish lunch. Also, got a very exciting day. We are going to Lucky Cat tomorrow for Matt's mum's birthday. It's in Mayfair, it's very fancy. It's one of Gordon Ramsay's restaurants. And yeah, I probably can't fit that into this vlog. Maybe I can actually, yeah, I will. I'll get the vlog edited mostly tonight, and then yeah, so it'll be all ready to kind of finalize on Saturday evening, and you'll see it on Sunday. But yeah, my Abercrombie dress arrived. I love it. It looks so good, so I'm going to show you that. And yeah, maybe I'll take some snaps of when we're there. This is Matt back with the final ingredients for lunch. He said this is the best I could do for mozzarella. This is like the best. It's got like pesto, and it's got pesto in it. That's clever. Did you get pesto as well? No. Some crisps. Cheese and onion.
That's your drink.
Oh. Nice clementine.
They didn't really have much
Sampel.
else. They didn't have rhubarb, they didn't have lemon.
Really? They're all out of everything. Lucozade for Matt. And did you get pesto? You got pesto, yay, thank you. The guy with our delicious.
Yeah, we've seen here.
Yeah, I guess we'll have to. Because our thing won't be here in time.
Did you do your call?
Yeah. Also fresh look at these bloody peonies. Look how big they are. I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna try first of all a little drink on my Sunpill. Normally I have it in a glass, but here we go. Oh wow, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's really refreshing. It's kind of like a dash, but more flavour. And I don't like things too strong. It's really good. Oh, it's sparkling. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's peach and clementine, that's why. Anyway, here is lunch. This is like the bagel of dreams. Oh my god, here we go. Okay, bagel is absolutely delicious. Please excuse the state of me. I'm going to enjoy my lunch now and I will chat to you guys in a little while. Guys, the barbecue, not the barbecue, the furniture has arrived. Matt's just gone to the door. He's going to assemble it all outside. We didn't make it in time for lunch, but we're going to have dinner out there tonight. It's really good. We went out for a little drink and now we're home. I'm sitting at our little garden table. How cute is this? We've got fajitas for dinner. I've lit a little candle. Lit a little candle? Yeah. Lit a little candle. We've got our little John Lewis plates and our little tiger napkins, and we're about to have fajitas. Literally can't wait. I also did my tan. I need to do my nails later. And then we're gonna watch that show that I told you guys about earlier, which is like 24 hours, 24/7 murder or something on BBC Two. So good. The fajitas smell so nice. I'm literally starving. I can't wait to eat. Oh my god, this looks so good. Yes, please. This looks so good. Morning guys, we are heading to our spin class now. We got a coffee from Gales. I actually love the whole shopping experience in Gales. I feel like it's just so nicely laid out. We're now rushing to get the train so we can make it for our 10 AM spin class before we head out for our lovely lunch today. So I thought, yeah, let me vlog today. You're seeing this vlog tomorrow, so it's gonna be a quick turnaround for me, but cheers, happy Saturday. Here, we've just arrived to the train station. We're now going to walk to Spin. We've got 30 minutes before we need to do our class, so we're just going to have a little leisurely stroll. I actually really need to go to the loo as well. Matt's carrying my bag, so I was struggling in the heat. It actually feels a bit cooler here. Yeah. We're all showered and ready after Spin. Also, I met a lovely girl called Lizzie in Spin today who said that she watches me and my sister's videos, and shout out to Lizzie if you're watching. That was so nice to meet you. Yeah, we're all ready. I'm wearing my new Abercrombie dress. I'm gonna get Matt to do a proper... Yeah, she was so nice. I'll tell you all about it. We chatted for ages.
Alright.
She's really lovely.
Wait, when did that happen? Because you were barely in the train time.
Yeah, I actually like was in there probably for like 10 minutes more chatting to her. Yeah.
Alright.
Matt's here. He's got on his lovely clothes.
Had my blank street.
He tried a pistachio iced latte and he drank it already, so it's a good sign. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was really good.
It was really good. I'm gonna get you to show everyone my outfit in a minute as well.
Okay.
This is my new Abercrombie dress. And it looks, when I saw Matt, he was like, oh, you look lovely, it's very grand. I was like, okay. I don't know if I was going for grand today.
Yeah, but we are going to Mayfair. On a
Yeah,
nice
we're going to
sunny
Mayfair.
day.
And it's roasting, and we're about to get on the Central line, and we'll probably boil alive, but anyway, we're here. I've
Where are we
also got
going
my
on Central Line? I've
little
not
Dragon
checked.
Diffusion dupe. No, I know where we're going. I'm just laughing at you behind the camera, because you're like,
Whoa, you're
Your
smiling.
eyes.
That's what you do.
do I?
You go. You again. Is that what I was doing?
Yeah.
That's what you do whenever you're editing. You're always like smiling at your lunch going.
Because I like watching our lives back. These are a bit of a British institution, scampi flavoured fries. Matt's eaten them all, but I should have shown you. They're like extremely strong tasting. Look at the warning signs on them. Too salty, too fatty.
Oh my god, these